unbox this LED drawing light board with me. I am super excited to see what's in here because I got this for my daughter for an Easter present and she loves to just draw things. So let's see what all we get. All right, so this is the little installation instruction manual thingy. Okay, then we open this up and you got, ooh, this is the light board. Okay, this looks nice and big. All right, let's take it out. Oh, it says, okay, look, tip, please remove on the protected films on both sides. So that's good to know. All right, so let's just take this out. Oh, wow. Okay, set that aside. Oh, she is gonna love this. This is nice and big. This is gonna be great. Okay, so let's look at this. So here's the little mirror thing, or the display on an off button. There's probably for like to change the features on it, the display modes, and then the brightness, and then the functionality button. Okay, so let's turn it over. Okay, so then here is the kickstand. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is nice. This is like not flimsy. So when she goes to kick it up, put the stand on there for the light board to draw, that seems sturdy to me. All right, so here are some tracing patterns. Those are cute. A big pretty butterfly and then some smaller ones. Ooh, oh wow. All kinds. Oh my gosh, they have like holiday ones. So Christmas and Halloween. Okay, let's see what's on the back. Oh my gosh, little outer space dudes and some dinosaur ones. Oh my gosh, even if my son gets a hold of this, he would love that. And then, oh, look at a little family one. Love that. Okay, she's gonna love that. I'm already impressed with this. Oh, look at, it's a nice, so it looks like a little, oh, this is probably like for, if it's for a gift. That's nice. They give you a little gift card. Okay, so here is all of the accessories and stuff. Let's unpack it. Okay, so it looks like this is like the, how you can wipe it off. That feels nice. And how big is it? Okay, that works. My Amy has little hands, so this will definitely be easy for her to wipe it off. That's nice. Okay, let's put that back. And then, okay, so you can put the, here's a little spray bottle for the stuff that you spray on it to wipe it off. That's nice. Oh, here are the markers. All pretty like colors. They're bright too. And they have the eraser on the end of it. Okay, I gotta take one of these out. Let's see what the tips look like on these little guys. Here it is. And let's do the pink one. Okay, here's the tip. This is how it looks. Oh, that looks nice. So here's the tip of it. Okay. She's gonna love these bright colors. So excited. All right. Okay, then let's see, we have gloves and, oh, cute, a little thing to hold the markers in there. That's adorable. And then we have the hanging things. That's nice. All right, and then it's LED, so it can be plugged in and recharged. There's the little block. I'll just set that there. All right, and then these go on every 4 of the corners, and then finally the LED, the charging plug. Okay, that is all of it. I'm so excited. She's gonna love this. Yeah, highly recommend so far. I'm really happy with this.